Hello everyone, my name is Sunaina Vittal Tupe. I am studying BA first year from DY Patil College, Akurdi. Today I am going to speak on how can women become physically and mentally capable. To begin with, I would like to portray the emergence of women in universe. It was in a form of Prakriti, the nature. The Ardhanari Ishwar is depicted as half male and half female. This signifies that the male and the female are equal. In early mythology, to balance the universe, Brahma requested Shiv to give his half part, female, to the universe. After that, in ancient India, women enjoyed a place of preeminence. Even in Mahabharata and Ramayana, there lived women of great virtue, wisdom, and respectability. Thus, we had women like Sita, Savitri, Draupadi, etc. However, during the medieval period, women were pushed behind and had to live within the four walls of their house. In spite of having this scenario, how can we forget the great warriors like Jizamata and the Jhansi Ki Rani? After independence, women got virtual emancipation. There were many women role models like Mother Teresa, Indira Gandhi, etc. Now, women are cautious of their rights and their voice can no longer be suppressed. However, this happens only in urban area, whereas in rural areas, still women are not aware of their capabilities. However, the point is, how can women become physically and mentally capable? Many rural women or illiterate women are not aware of their capabilities or population exploitation dangers or many more things. So the solution to this is government should implement policies which can make women aware of all these things. Schools and colleges should have visit to the women of villages and to encourage them. NGOs should also be formed. Crimes against women are also increasing day by day. Till today, we tell women that they are protected by men and they don't need to be afraid. But still, the criminal rates are increasing because the criminals are the men, like father, son, or husband of someone. Girls now have to be self-independent and fight for themselves. So to do this, schools should have self-defense classes like karate, judo, etc. In schools, meditation and inspiring lectures for girls should be held. This would make them feel capable. Education is one such solution which will make women mentally and physically capable. There are many schemes like Mahila Ihad, then Mahila Shakti Kendra, which can help women. Most of the women are subject to abuse, harassment, and even human trafficking. So the solution to this is protecting women by equipped skills or local staff to offer training, educational counseling, medical care, or even other programs which would lead or help women. This is a Kalyug and we want a Satvayug. After every dark night, there is a bright morning. My message to all girls is this is the time when we have to be self-independent, self-reliant, and financially independent. To conclude, I would like to say that this speech is not only about making women capable. Women are already capable. It's about changing the way the world perceives that strength. And this can be done by women itself. Be a strong woman so that your daughters would have a role model and men will know what to look in a woman when he is a son. This will definitely make women mentally and physically capable. Thank you for your patient listening. Jai Hind.